In this video, I will showcase some of the places where extensions from the marketplace can contribute new functionality. Later in this chapter, we'll explore 2 free extensions from the marketplace. One interesting aspect of extensions is that they can alter the user interface here in the DevOps portal. They can add tabs, pages, sections, and context menus. These are called contribution points in the DevOps documentation. So let's talk about where it can extend. These are called top-level pages, boards, repos, pipelines. So it can add its own top-level page. And then within a page, these are the sub-pages, so it can add items to the sub-pages. This is called the context menu, these 3 dots. So I click on that. It shows the context for this item. I can add items to the context menu. You can also add pages here, like this details page or this graph page or any of the items, just so I can add items here. And then these are called groups, these vertical sections here. So I can add its own groups. And then within a group, it can add its own fields. So it can totally customize the way it fits into the DevOps portal. Let's see how to install an extension. First step is to go to this section on the DevOps portal. Click here and choose Browse Marketplace. We'll install 2 free extensions.
The first one we're looking for is called Code Search. This is a free extension from
Microsoft. This is the one we're looking for. I'll select this extension. It's useful as it allows us to search through our repository code with the Azure search engine. Click here to get it free. Then I choose my organization from this drop-down and then choose Install. Go back to the marketplace. Next, I'm looking for another free extension called Personas. This is the one. Go through the same steps. Now that they're installed, I can go back to my organization. In the next demo, we'll look at how to use the Code Search extension. We've installed the Code Search extension in a project. And remember, it's project specific. So if I go to this other project, this Dev Course 471 course, and I look in the search box, I see that I'm searching through filters for work items. If I look at the 211 project and go to that same place, I see a different set of information. So this is showing that not only can I search through my work items, but I can also search through my code. So if I look for a word like print, in my results, I get 37 code results, and I can see there's 37 code results, and there's 5 work item results. Without the Code Search extension, I would only see the work items. I can also filter by extension or by file name or path or project. So I'll filter by 2. I'll choose an extension. We'll look for the word welcome. I know for sure it's in this index.cs HTML file because we worked on that in this course. Now I want to look for files with the JavaScript extension. So I'll say txt:/JavaScript or JS. Do a search. Now it's returning matches for just our JavaScript files. I can also search. Let's just look for one repo. This search shows a single file, the index.cs HTML file that is in the simple repo. In the previous results, those JavaScript files were in another repository. The takeaway for us, the Code Search extension gives us more options for searching. Remember, this is installed Azure DevOps with extensions.